All right, we've got a good list of Halloween birthdays today, and we begin in Neodesha with Tegan Cares, celebrating birthday number 4, and this comes with love from Dad, Papa, Nene, Uncle Brett, Aunt Bailey, Papa Richard, and Grandma Linda. Happy birthday, Tegan.
All right, Lana Kimnek celebrating birthday number 10 this year, and Lana is in Girard.
All right, and we have Summer Largent celebrating birthday number 14 in Southwest City. Very happy birthday to you, Summer.
Also turning 14, it's time to celebrate for Kinsey Carnall in Erie, Kansas.
And we've got Dalton Slichting turning 19 in Lamar, and this comes with love from Grandma and Grandpa. Dalton, a very happy birthday to you.
Out in Chanute, Julie Hasler celebrating birthday number 57 this year. Happy birthday, Julie.
And in Columbus, we've got Steve Dooley celebrating number 60 with a great catch there. Very happy birthday to you, Steve. Maybe you can get something even bigger today.
All right, happy birthday, Steve. Larry Leverance in Buffalo, Kansas, celebrating the big 7-5 this year. Looking great there, Larry.
And over in Chanute, we've got Mo Elliott celebrating birthday number 83. A very happy birthday to you, Mo.
All right, Jamie Otto celebrating another year wiser. Happy birthday, Jamie, in Columbus.
And we've got Tandy Almond celebrating a birthday in Riverton. Tandy, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and Ann Emerson celebrating a birthday in Chanute. She would be on the left in the white shirt there. Her birthday was actually on Friday, but we're celebrating all the way through to today.
And we've got Tub and Sue Moore celebrating wedding anniversary number 59 in Crestline. A very, very happy anniversary to Tub and Sue Moore.
All right, and our very own Dow Quick, KOM executive producer, evening anchor extraordinaire. We all know and love Mr. Quick. Dow, happy Halloween birthday.
And Dow just celebrated 42 years on the air this month at KOAM. 42, that is a long time to be coming in here and doing this every night. But Dow, we're very grateful you're here, and I know the 4 states are very grateful you are here. So happy birthday, and here's to another 42 years.
That's right. Happy birthday and happy anniversary this month, Dow.
And we continue our birthday list with Jimmy Lovell in Cherokee. We've got Bella Briggs celebrating birthday number 12 on Saturday in Mulberry, and this comes with love from Mom. We also have Sue Arnold in Miami celebrating a birthday and a 13th wedding anniversary, going out to JJ and Angela Carlinger in Pittsburgh. Now, you see how there's a list here and there weren't any pictures with it? We want more pictures, and Tanya's going to tell you how you can get them to us.
All you have to do is send them to us through email. Just scan them, or just if you already have them online, save them and send them to our email at birthdayswithans@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com. You can always send it by U.S. Postal Service as well, or drop it by our station.
Absolutely, and why don't you drop by KOAMnewsnow.com, because not only do we have the latest news, weather, and sports there, we also have an opportunity for you to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do, and once you do, you get some great deals from local businesses. In addition, you get a nice little birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.